man. How are you?
It's a beautiful day here in North Carolina, possibly going out and playing golf later on this afternoon.
Hey, that's a good thing, right? And our
Oh, yeah, it's a
topic
great
today,
thing.
yeah, our topic today is new tax strategy, possibly never pay taxes again. Okay. And this is just hearing the topic, I have to ask a question. Alan, you always have something educational for us. What are you talking about? Never
Well,
pay
Neil,
taxes again.
yeah, well, I went and got my certified tax and business advisor certification last spring, and I've learned so much. But I've come to the point now where I'm a tax strategist. Now, I don't give tax advice, that's for the CPA and your attorney. But I have the specialists on my team that give the tax advice. I mean, they're like the cardiac surgeons of taxes. They're the specialists. Now you've got your CPA or your attorney. They're not specialists. They're like your regular MD doctor. They can treat you for certain things, but if you need knee surgery, you're going to want them to do it. Your medical doctor, or you're going to want an orthopedic surgeon. Well, you're going to want the orthopedic surgeon because he's a specialist, and that's what I have. But I'm learning these tax strategies when I cooperate in collaboration with my tax experts. But this is something else. Now, the program focuses on legally eliminating taxes using equipment investment strategy. It utilizes Section 179 and bonus depreciation for significant tax write-offs. Now, Neil, get a load of this. It allows up to $1,220,000 write-off for married couples filing jointly. Now, what the program does involve, you need to create a single member LLC for purchase equipment.
Okay. Alan, sounds great. Tell us more.
Well, the investment structure, you only have to put 90% down, 90% is finance, and it's a commercial loan. The program offers a 15 to 20% return on invested capital. Monthly payments from lease rental option income exceed debt payments. Equipment is sold back after 5 to 6 years at 68 or 60% of original purchase price. The program partnership and Equipment Share and Easy Equipment Zone are the two of the largest equipment share companies in the United States, and they have nearly a 9-year track record, including successful performance during COVID.
What are the protections for this, if any?
Well, understand, equipment maintenance, insurance, and storage costs are netted out of fixed rental income. Programs have never missed target dates or return, previously fixed at 18%. Equipment shares makes 40% on short-term leases. Multiple insurance companies protect equipment owners. So basically, there's I can't see any risk because first off, these people that rent the equipment, they have to be bonded and they have to be insured. They're not going to rent it. Uh, but you do have to have 100 hours of minimum participation for the tax purposes. But understand this, you're going to get an email every week for 52 weeks from your leasing company. You're a lease owner, you're an equipment owner, you've got your own business now, and you're going to get that email once a week. So that counts basically as 52 hours. Now you could also go to the convention, which is 2 days long. So basically, you've got your 100 hours taken care of right there. But there's many different ways you can do it. I have one guy. He's going to take one of the equipment leasing companies in an area where he wants to go on vacation. So he's going to go down there, take a vacation, and get his tax strategies taken care of, or his tax implications taken care of all at once. But think about this, Neil. If you put $100,000 into this product, you get a 10-for-1 deduction. So you get $1 million deduction, tax
Wow.
deduction. And people are making $1 million or more like this. I mean, usually their taxes are around $400,000 to $500,000. Well, they can take that and pay it off, and still have extra money left over to go make investments and other things. But it's like I said, it's been there for 9 years, and it's just a great strategy that I've had it vetted with my specialist and other specialists in the tax world. Like I said, it's been around for 9 years.
So how does a business get involved in this?
Well, they need to give me a call at 910-551-1046 or email me at Strategic Wealth Strategies. Email me at strategicwealth, the number 0 at gmail.com, or they can go on the website. Now, it's on the website right now, but you can set up an appointment there. My website is www.strategicwealthstrategies.com. And Neil, this is just a portion of what I do because I show people how to reduce and possibly eliminate both debt and taxes, possibly set them up with a tax-free retirement. I show them how to become their own bank, borrowing from themselves and not the financial institutions, and paying themselves back, compounding interest for themselves and not the financial institution. But a big thing I do, Neil, is I protect people in retirement with my strategies and financial vehicles that a stock portfolio or anything like that only compounds. There's many risks out there in retirement that they don't know about. And the other thing I do, Neil, now is I reduce healthcare costs and increase production for the employer. But any of these things it's all educational. Give me a call. I don't charge for a consultation. It's all about education.
The LLC. So basically, what kind of equipment do you end up purchasing?
It's heavy duty equipment like road graders and dump trucks and things like that.
Do you have to be in a specific area of the country to do this?
No.
Wow. That's another great.
Yeah, the equipment is sold back, and they just take it over to Africa or South America and sell it again.
But you have to have 10% down. So if it's a
Right.
$20,000 equipment, you have to put down a certain amount. And
Well, you have a $30,000 minimum investment. So that's a $300,000 tax deduction, but the minimum investment is $30,000.
okay. And then the rest is financed through your business or financed through the other people.
It's financed through several different banks.
I see. Okay. Very, very interesting. It's just another area to contact Alan today as he's educating me. I had no idea about this. There's so many different things, but Alan keeps up with all this tax stuff. It's so important, Alan. And that's what they do is once you make a certain amount of money, you can figure out every tax loophole in the world, and the IRS can't fix it, right? Because they can't change it because these things are there for a reason. And if people can spend, they can do it.
Well,
is that a great write-off for the end of the year for a business too? To go by before the end and say, I'm going to go purchase equipment so I don't have to pay a certain amount of taxes?
The only problem right now, Neil, they're running out of equipment. They've got so many millions of dollars they can do. And so they're running out for this year. And it takes about 3 to 4 months to get this thing done, especially the underwriting when it comes to the bank.
So you're looking more at next year's taxes.
Yeah.
But get on board today. And Alan has so many other things he can help businesses save money on their overall bottom line. We appreciate it, Alan. Great information. You surprised me today with this new one because I never knew about it. All right.
There's very many people that don't know about it.
All right. That was the Strategic Wealth Strategies podcast, guys.